Today I'm going to show you a Taylor Swift inspired nail. I was picking album covers and deciding, and I decided on Lover, so I'll show you my spin on the album Lover. The colors I used are all right here. They're all ManiQ colors. I'm using Horizon, Lilac, Cheeky, Tangerine Neon, and Yellow Neon. White 101 and Base. I'm also using Loose Lips, love this color, and Inner Voice. I am going to use number 1 and 2 brushes just to create this look, so let's get started. So right here I added all my ManiQ colors and I added White 101 to all of them. They're all ManiQ except this one right here. I did do Loose Lips, which is a Mission Control, and added white to it. So what I'm going to do is take Base, and this is ManiQ Base gel. I'm going to use it like a blooming gel. I like to go just straight down it. If I bring it on my sides, I feel like it'll run too much. So let's take number 1 or 2. Let's take number 2 first. And what I'm going to do is just lay these down. Wipe it. Let's do some orange here. And I'm really not going to be picky about where I place it, but these are all the colors on the album. Kind of obsessed. Let's add some purple right here. A little bit more of this. So really, there's no rhyme or reason. I'm just kind of creating the look as I go. A little bit of blue down here. I'm going to go ahead and perfect the blue here. Take some pink up here. And bring yellow all the way through. I'm going to sit here until I like how it's moving. It's moving really slow for me, like I like. If it's moving really fast, sometimes it moves faster and to places I really don't want. So by putting it just in the middle really helps me to control the flow of my colors. Now I am going to take my brush here, and this is number 1. Kind of fade back and forth. See how it's kind of mixing them? All I'm doing is just kind of fading them. And if I was doing more than one nail, I would put this in different spots. So I kind of want this a little more smoky. Let's see if I could do that. Oh yeah, I like that better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cure this for 1 full minute. So now I'm going to take my Inner Voice. Now, ManiQ has an awesome dispersion layer, so I could go straight into a glitter press with this. Now, if it didn't, if I used like a straight Mission Control or a Go Time, that cures tact-free. I would add a base layer, cure it, then do what I'm doing. But this is ManiQ, so we're perfectly fine. And I'm just gonna add just like a little shimmer in spots. I'm not going to overpower it because this album's not like, doesn't remind me of a lot of glitter, but it does remind me of soft pastel and like shimmer. So I'm going to just like detail it just a little bit. Put some on the blue. Ooh, I kind of like it on the blue because it even makes it more pastel. Ooh, yeah, that looks awesome. So yes, I make it up as I go, always. And then if I did these on other nails, maybe I'd put it on top of another color so it just kind of flows. But I picked blue and a little bit of purple. Okay, so I really don't have to press this, but if you used a bigger glitter, you could press it down with either gloves or whatever you would like. But I'm gonna go ahead and cure this again for 15 seconds so the dispersion layer could hold on to the glitter I just put on. So this design, I prepared my nail for encapsulation. I feel like this would be pretty on top, but when you encapsulate it and add a little shimmer, it's gonna look like a little more 3D. So I decided I was gonna use Build Pink in the Tube in our precision gels. Now I have my orange wood stick ready here, my little tile in case I need it, plus my brush. I'm ready to roll no matter what. So what I'm going to do is anchor her finger down. And I like to bring mine straight down. I could already see the magnification, so pretty. Then I am going to Bring it all the way to my side. And then come through to this side and encapsulate the entire nail. So now I'm detailing it a little bit, just making sure it's on my sides. And I am going to cure this for 1 full minute and file off camera. So I finished filing the design. I'm actually in love with it matte. Check it out. There's like a really cool, like you could see the glitter a little, but it's kind of like a vibe too. You could go either shiny or matte. I'm gonna go stain resistant, but I wanted to give you both looks just so you could choose what you would like. So I'm gonna go into stain resistant, and it kind of makes the glitter pop a tad bit more. Ooh, this is cute. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's very cute. So I will cure this for 1 full minute, but I encourage you to use any of our products to create your spin on Taylor Swift nails.
Subscribe channel now. Subscribe channel now. Sub and subscribing and channel.